Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to knit a cable hat. We will be using size 8 needles. We will cast on 120 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we'll keep doing that until we get 120 stitches. Okay, so now we finished casting on 120 stitches, and now we will start to knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and we will do that for 10 rows. Okay guys, so now we've finished 10 rows of 2 knit, 2 purl, and now we will knit 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll purl 2, then we will knit 6, purl 2, knit 10, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, knit 10, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, and keep doing that until we finish the entire row. And then we will repeat the same thing for 10 rows. So knit 10, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, and we will keep doing that for 10 rows. And then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so now that we've finished 10 rows of 10 knit, 2 purl, 6 knit, 2 purl, it's time to do the cables. So we take 5 stitches, put them to the front, knit the 5, then go back to the 5 stitches on the blue needle, knit 5, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, grab my needle, slip off 5 stitches, move them to the front, knit 5, go back to the blue needle, knit 5, purl 2, knit 6, and keep doing the same thing all around. So where we have 10 stitches we make a cable, and where we have 6 knit stitches we just keep knitting. Okay, so now we finished cables, and on the next row we will do 10 knit, two purl, 6 knit, two purl, ten knit, two purl, 6 knit, two purl, and we will continue doing that for 20 rows, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so after we finish 20 rows we will do cables again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, move them to the front, knit the last 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, go back to the blue needle, knit the 5 on it, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, four, 5, move to the front, knit 5, go back to the blue needle, knit 5, and keep doing that for the entire row. and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, so after we finish the row with cables, we will start decreasing. So we join the first 2 stitches together and we knit until we get to the last 2, and then we join those together. Then the 2 purl stitches that we have, we join them together and we make 1 purl stitch. Then when we get to the 6 knit stitches, we join the first 2 together, then we knit 2, and then we join the last 2 together. Then we join the 2 purl stitches, join the first 2 knit stitches, knit 6, and then join the last 2 knit stitches, join the 2 purl stitches, join the 2 knit stitches, knit 2, join the last 2 knit stitches, purl the 2 purl stitches together and make 1. When we get to the cable, we join the first 2 knit stitches together, we knit 6, we join the last 2 knit stitches. So now instead of 10 stitches on the cable, we have 8. We join the 2 purl stitches together, make 1. We join the 2 knit stitches, we knit 2, we join the last 2 knit stitches, we join the 2 purl stitches, we knit the first 2 stitches of the cable, then we knit another 6 stitches, then we join the last 2 knit stitches, we purl the 2 purl stitches together, we knit the first 2 together, we knit 2, we knit the last 2 together, we purl the 2 purl stitches together, we join the first 2 stitches together on the cable, we knit another 6 stitches, we join the 2 purl stitches together, we knit the 2 stitches together, then knit another 2, We join the last 2 stitches together. We purl the 2 stitches together, the 2 purl stitches together. Okay, so after we finish the first row of decreasing, we will now continue with the second row. So we knit 8 stitches, which is the cable. We purl 1, and we continue decreasing on this area here. So we had 6 knit stitches, now we have 4, and we are going to make 2 out of those 4. So we join the first 2, and we join the last 2, and now we only have 2 stitches. So we purl 1 more, we knit 8, purl 1, we join the first 2 together, we join the last 2 stitches together, we purl 1, we knit 8, we purl 1, we join the first 2 knit stitches, we join the last 2 knit stitches, we purl 1, we knit 8, we purl 1, we join the first 2, we join the last 2, we purl 1, we knit 8, purl 1, join the first 2 stitches together, join the last 2 stitches together, now we start the second row, keep knitting 8 knit stitches, and that's where the cable is. We purl 1, we join the 2 knit stitches together, we purl 1, so we have decreased this area entirely. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Purl 1, join these 2 stitches together, we purl 1, knit 8, purl 1, consolidate these 2 stitches, make them into one, purl 1, knit 8, purl 1, join these 2 stitches together, purl 1, knit 8, purl 1, join these 2 stitches together, purl 1, knit 8, purl 1, join the 2 knit stitches together, purl 1, knit 8, and now we are in the new row, so we keep knitting 8, purl 3, knit 8, purl 3 stitches, knit 8, we'll keep doing that until we have 15 rows in total for the cable, and then I will show you what to do next. 3 purl stitches together, knit 8, we join these 3 stitches together, we knit 8, purl these 3 stitches together, and that's the entire row. So like we said, we keep doing 8 knit, 1 purl until we have 15 rows in this cable, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so now we finished 15 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rows for the cable. Now, as you can see, I switched to different type of needles because the circular ones are not good for finishing off the hat. it's time to do cables again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, move them to the front, knit 4, 2, 3, 4, then go back to the first 4 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we purl 1, one, 2, 3, 4, move them to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, go back to the first 4 stitches that we put on a separate needle, knit those, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we purl 1. And this is how the 2 cables look like. Then we do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We move the 4 stitches to the front, knit the last 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back to the first 4 that we put on a separate needle. We knit those. Purl 1. Put 4 stitches on a separate needle. 4. Knit the last 4. 2, 3, 4. Then we go back to the 4 stitches on the needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we purl the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, move them to the front, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we go back to the first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, one, 2, 3, 4, move it to the front, knit 4, go back to the 4 stitches on the needle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, and then on the next row we will join the stitches in groups of 2. So instead of 8 on the cable, we will have 4. Okay, it will look like this. Then purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 2 more together, and the last 2 together, purl 1, do the same thing here, knit 2 together, knit 2 more, 2 more, and the last 2, purl 1, purl 1, so knit 2 together, 2 more, 2 more, purl 1, knit 2 together, 2 more, and purl 1. Now that we're finished with that row, we make 2 instead of 4. So where the cable is, 4 stitches, and we are going to make 2. We purl 1, we join the first 2 knit stitches together, we join the last 2 stitches together, we purl 1, we join the first 2 together, join the last 2 together, we purl 1, we join the first 2, the last 2, we purl 1, first 2, last 2, purl, join the first 2, the last 2, Okay, so now that we're finished with that row, we join the 2 knit stitches together. We purl 1, we join the 2 knit stitches together, we purl 1, we join the 2 knit stitches together, we purl 1, join the 2 together, purl 1, join the 2 knit stitches together, purl 1, join the 2 together, purl 1. When we get to this point where we have a total of 4, 8, 12 stitches, we will take some red yarn, put it through a sewing needle, a big sewing needle, and then we will put all the stitches through this yarn. And slowly remove the needles. Okay, then we turn the hat inside out. Okay, so we join all these threads together and we tie them in a knot. Then we take the scissors and we cut the yarn. And this is how the finished hat looks like. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.